this is the first shot of what brought you over to Japan series. Clarice, what brought you over to Japan this time?
Well, I am here as a master's student, and I'm currently studying international development at Waseda University. And I'm also a Rotary scholar, so I do different things in the Rotary community, having to do with volunteering and different things, basically sharing what I do here, my educational experiences, my past, and also my future visions. So.
Very good. Now we are sitting in the lobby of Amagi Harvest Club. What brought you over here to the Izu?
Well, I am currently researching drones in my my seminar class. My thesis is related to drones and natural disasters, and what I'm doing in Izu this weekend is hopefully to learn more about drones and also maybe try out flying it a little bit, and then maybe see some cool views with the drones. Yeah, I'd really like to learn more about the different parts of the drones as well as just the drones itself, and especially because there's a lot of tourism things that go on with drones. I think it's important to know all the different aspects of how drones work. So that's what I'm doing.
I have another question. What did you hear about drone over the American Forces radio today?
Well, they said that you are not allowed to fly drones under any circumstances here. And I guess the rules for flying drones in Japan is pretty strict because I think a few years ago there was a drone that flew over Abe's house, if I'm correct.
Yeah.
So, yeah, there's quite strict regulations for drones, which makes it quite difficult to use or at least get it normalized in using or being used for natural disasters. So.
Correct. The drone crashed on the rooftop of Prime Minister's office. It just was a disaster. However, I think there are attempts to utilize drones for construction project and safety measures. Did you hear about that?
Yes, so a lot of the research that has been done in the field of drones is related to inspection, and especially in the construction zone, and as well as insurance claims, being able to check basically any damages that have occurred, and as well as just being able to map from straight above is quite useful because you can directly see damages and changes. So I also, when I was interning at Indiana University for facility operations, I was able to see one of the drones firsthand, the industrial ones that are quite expensive that have different thermodynamic capabilities. And so being able to see that drones can do a lot without basically what the human eye can't see. So it's really, I think, such a great technology that could be utilized in many ways.
Oh, when is your birthday?
My birthday is April 1st. It's right in the middle of Sakura season.
Do you want to take a drone video of you and with cherry blossom?
Yes, of course.
Okay, we'll make a trip to cherry blossom areas and trees in April. So if you want to join us, me and Clarice, join our trip. Thank you.